In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Gmail app on your PC in just 5 minutes. Now, keeping your browser updated is crucial not only for enjoying the latest features, but also for receiving important security updates that keep your information safe. Let's start by opening Google Chrome. If it's already your default browser, just click on its icon to bring it up. Once Chrome is open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there. This is your gateway to the Chrome menu, where we'll find the settings we're looking for. Click on those 3 dots and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over the help option to expand a secondary menu. This secondary menu is where we'll dive deeper into Chrome's update settings. Once you're in the help section, look for an option labeled About Google Chrome. Click on it and Chrome will diligently start checking for updates automatically. This process only takes a few moments. Chrome will verify if there's any new version available, and if there is, it will begin the update process on its own. It's worth noting that you might see an update button at times, which you'll need to click to start the update. But most of the time, Chrome takes care of everything in the background. Once the update is complete, it might ask you to relaunch the browser. This step is necessary to ensure all the new features and security improvements are properly applied. Just hit the relaunch button and Chrome will reopen with its latest updates installed, all set and ready to go. Now, you might wonder why we're talking about updating Chrome when we're focusing on updating the Gmail app. It's important to understand that Gmail is a web app that runs inside your browser, so the best way to ensure it runs smoothly is to have your browser fully updated. Many Gmail features and interface updates are tied to the browser's update cycle, so keeping your browser current ensures your Gmail app remains seamless and secure. To wrap this up, always keep an eye on your browser settings for update options. Regularly updating Chrome not only enhances your Gmail experience, but also makes your online experience safer overall. It's a simple step that delivers significant benefits. So whether you're an email enthusiast or simply use Gmail to stay organized, keeping your browser updated is key. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Happy updating, and I'll see you in the next video.